Hello everyone, today we are talking about distributive law. So let's take a look. So first of all, we have here A bracket B plus C. Distributive law basically means pretend A is the boss on the outside and the boss needs to pay all of their employees. So what we do here is we take the boss and we multiply it to every single term as if they're distributing to every single employee. So A times B will give us AB plus A times C would just give us AC. Now, A, B, and C are single terms. Now, terms are only separated by addition and subtraction. So if you have multiply and divide, then they aren't separated. They're still one term. So let's take a look at some examples here. So the first one, we have 2 bracket 3 plus 5. We're going to multiply it into each term. So then we get 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5. This will then give us 6 plus 10, which is 16. The next one, we have 3x bracket 2 plus 6y. Once again, we go to both terms like so. So 3x times 2 plus 3x times 6y. This will give us 6x plus 18xy. The next one here, the 3/4, again, multiplies to both. So you can write it like this, 3/4 times 5x plus 3/4 times 2y. So again, 3/4 is a fraction, which you can rewrite as 3 divided by 4. So either or, it's always seen as one term because there's no plus or minus between the 3 and the 4. We use fractions to simplify this, and we will get the answer of 15 over 4x plus, we can reduce these, like so. So this will just be 3 over 2y. The last one here, this is 2 divided by 3, or you can rewrite it as 2/3. Again, division doesn't separate terms, only plus and minus separate terms. So this one you can just keep it as 2/3 if you wanted to rewrite it. You can rewrite it as 2/3 of 9 plus 3. Same thing, we can rewrite it like so, by multiplying into both terms. Get 2/3 times 9 plus 2/3 times 3. This can be simplified to be 1 and 3, so 2 times 3 gives us 6. That'll simplify to 1 and 1, so that'll be plus 2 equaling to 8. Now, I made a previous video about the viral questions and how they were solved. And I was fortunate enough to get a comment to teach me that I actually did distributive law incorrectly. I don't know why I didn't see this the first time around, but I feel like they're absolutely correct. Again, we mentioned here that a single term is only separated by plus and minus, or addition and subtraction. So therefore, if we have questions like this, for example, 48 divided by 2 bracket 9 plus 3, the 40 divided by 2 is a single term, so I cannot break it apart. So in this situation, if we were to solve it, it is 40 divided by 2 gets multiplied to each term. So we take this whole thing and we multiply it to each term. So again, the single term A here is 40 divided by 2, B is 9, and C is 3. So when I do that, we get 40 divided by 2 times 9, plus 40 divided by 2 times 3. So if we go from order of operations, whenever we have division and multiplication happening at the same time, we go from left to right by convention. So for this one here, 40 divided by 2 gives me 24 times 9, plus 40 divided by 2 again is 24 times 3, and we come to the answer of 288. So this one here is a viral question because people always get two different answers. They might have gotten 288 or the answer of 2. But when we do the answer of 2, we can see that we are not fully understanding how to solve this. And this is why I went wrong in my first explanation. So the only answer to these questions should only be 288 for the first one. For the next two, when you see the one that is 8 divided by 2, bracket 2 plus 2, again, you can break it down like this. The only good answer or correct answer should only be 16. And for the question number 3 here, the correct answer should only be 9. Any other answer means that we have misunderstood distributive law or that we have applied order of operations incorrectly. So please do be careful. Again, we are humans, so we do make silly errors like this from time to time, but I hope this video has explained everything and fixed any misunderstandings for you to get the correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. And I'll see you in the next one.